Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for all you beginners out there. Why index funds are the absolute best option for getting started in the world of investing. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what index funds are, why they're so awesome, and how they can supercharge your financial journey. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. Before we jump into the index fund magic, let's quickly touch upon the basics of investing. Investing is all about making your money work for you. Instead of just saving money in a bank, you invest it in different assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the hope that they'll grow over time and earn you a sweet profit. So, what are these index funds we keep raving about? Well, imagine you want to invest in the entire stock market, thousands of companies, big and small. Managing all those investments individually would be a nightmare. That's where index funds come to the rescue. An index fund is like a basket that holds a bunch of different stocks or bonds. It's designed to mimic the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. One of the coolest things about index funds is their simplicity. You don't need to be a finance guru to understand them. When you invest in an index fund, you're buying a little piece of the entire market. This diversification, spreading your money across many different companies, helps reduce risk. If one company tanks, you're not left high and dry because you've got your eggs in many baskets. Unlike trying to pick individual stocks, which can be as unpredictable as the weather, index funds follow a set pattern. They don't rely on someone making guesses about which stocks will perform well. This passive approach means you're not stressed about constantly checking stock prices or analyzing financial reports. You can sit back, relax, and let the overall market growth do its thing. Now, let's talk about money, yours. Index funds are known for their low costs. When you buy or sell an index fund, you're not paying for a team of fancy analysts or expensive research. The goal is to match the index's performance, so the fund managers do a lot less tinkering. This means you'll pay fewer fees over time, leaving you with more of your hard-earned cash. Alright, buckle up because we're about to drop some financial wisdom. Index funds are a perfect match for the power of compound interest. As your investments grow, the money you earn also starts to earn money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. And the earlier you start investing, the more time your investments have to snowball into a hefty financial cushion. Let's talk numbers. Historical data consistently shows that over the long term, index funds tend to outperform many actively managed funds and even individual stock pickers. While there might be some ups and downs in the short run, the overall trend has been positive growth. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You might be wondering, how do I get in on this index fund action? Well, it's easier than you think. First, decide what type of index fund you want: stocks, bonds, or a mix. Then, open an investment account with a brokerage firm. You can invest in index funds through retirement accounts like IRAs or in regular taxable brokerage accounts. Once your account is set up, start investing regularly. Even small amounts can add up over time. Patience, my friends, is the name of the game. The market will have its ups and downs, but the key is to stay the course. Don't let fear or excitement drive your decisions. Remember, you're in this for the long haul, and index funds are designed to weather storms and come out stronger on the other side. And there you have it, fellow investors, the undeniable reasons why index funds are a fantastic choice for beginners. They offer simplicity, diversification, cost efficiency, and the magic of compound interest. Index funds take the stress out of investing, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. So, whether you're just starting your investing journey or looking to fine-tune your strategy, consider the power of index funds as your trusty sidekick on the path to financial freedom. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, the world of investing is exciting, and with the right knowledge, you can confidently build a brighter financial future. Stay curious, stay smart, and keep investing wisely. See you in the next video.